Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Kawaii Brit, and I got a package I've been super excited for. It was a request by the Lozzy88 for me to open this on camera, so I am. I wanted some paper theaters really bad, but they're pretty much out of commission. None of the sites that I normally get them from, I could order them, so I went straight to Ensky, and Ensky only delivers in Japan. So it was either I get these for $40 a piece when they're only like 15 maybe, or I find somebody that I could have them delivered to so they could send them to me. The Lozzy88 put me in touch with somebody. I'm not gonna say her name because I'm not sure, but she ordered them for me. She sells things online, so she ordered them for me and she had them shipped. And then I also got a order from the Pokemon Center in Japan and had them shipped. She's super sweet and super easy to work with, and I got these pretty fast, so I'm gonna dig in. And I just covered my name here. I already took out my address, but I had my full name down there, and I didn't want to show that. So I'm just gonna cut right through the plastic and everything. Yes. This came pretty quick. It only took like a week and a half. No, wait, she sent this on like the 10th maybe. So, and today is the 17th of August. You probably aren't seeing this until September, but yeah, sorry about that, guys. I think these are open now. Yeah. I always love getting packages from Japan because they always have newspaper. I can't read Japanese, very obviously, but it's still pretty cool. Even when I order things from Japan Crate, I get the paper on it as well. I just got an order from Japan Crate. I got some Hatsune Miku ones, but I didn't bring those out to show you. Oh, she got me an extra. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. I didn't ask for this, but this is awesome. It's some kind of art thing. Obviously, because I can't read Japanese, so. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's Giorno and Bruno from JoJo. And she says, thanks, enjoy. Oh my gosh. I think I'm opening the box upside down, so I'm gonna flip it because I think everything is facing the other way. My tweezers. We're gonna bring this up under a little bit better. And then these are all the things I ordered. I didn't expect to get anything extra because I just reached out to her. So these are what I wanted so bad. They're JoJo paper theaters. So here's Mista. And these are 5 stars. I just noticed that they have, or 5 diamonds, they have like levels on the back. I just did a Tanjiro and Nezuko one, and they were a level 1, and they only took me between like 25 minutes to 29 minutes to do. So this will be awesome for stream. So here's Mista. And then I got Bruno Bucciarati, Narancia Gurga, and Giorno Giovanna. And they also started doing some Dragon Quest ones, and my husband really loves Dragon Quest, so I got him this one that I'm gonna make for him. This is for the 35th anniversary. They just had, I'm actually getting ready to go into this game to start playing it. This one's a 4-star, or a 4 diamond. So that one's gonna be awesome. It's a large one too. And then my order from the Pokemon Center. Of course, if you guys have been around, you know I love Eevee. So I had to get this Eevee sticker. I have a wall of just Pokemon art that I bought from people, Pokemon stickers. Well, I only have a few of them, but I put this on the wall, and when I do my streams on Twitch, when I actually feel like being on camera, I have a wall of Pokemon behind me. But not just any Pokemon, like other artists. I know this one's from the Pokemon Center, but it is super cute. And I had to get this cute Eevee set. It's a letter set, but I thought it would be really cute to use in my journal. I'm going to open it up so I can show you guys all the different papers it comes with. It comes with these Eevee envelopes. There's a couple of them. There's pretty much a lot of them. Oh wait, this one here I guess is the one from the back. And this one. Isn't that so cute? Eevee just sleeping and running. I love it! And then these papers, we got this theme, we got the pink theme, and this orange theme. I guess it's still pink and yellow with Eevees down the side. And then there's one more back here. We got the blue Eevee theme. Look at the little Eevees at the bottom. And then the last thing that I got from the Pokemon Center were these notebooks. I didn't expect them to be this big, but I had to get them. It has a Ponyta and a Galarian Ponyta on it, on the first one. The second one has Yamper and Hatna. And then the third one has Ensky and Wooloo. I'm giving this one to my best friend, Tony, or Inksune. I'm gonna keep this one, and then I'm giving this one to my sister because she loves penguins. So yeah, that's everything that I got from this order from her. I'm actually about to make another order because Ensky came out with a whole bunch more of these paper theaters that they're just like pre-orders that I really want to get. So keep your eye out for that in the future. And if you guys want to see me make these paper theaters, I do them on Saturdays on my Twitch, twitch.tv/QuietBrit. I do it around 9:30 a.m. every Saturday, so come and join us, and you can watch me make these. Probably make this over there then too. I'm so happy. I want to open it up and see what it is. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks again for watching. I will see you all soon.